Shop Talk. We're looking at a West Coast modified Husqvarna 372 XPW. This saw will be sold on eBay and disabled. It will be sold as a parts saw, but we'll look at some of the features these have. Has the basic throttle locks, kill switch, choke, all functional. Dual port muffler. The cylinder has been decked, the cylinder has been ported and timing changed. It does have the OEM Outlaw coil, unlimited RPMs. Features a 20-inch bar and chain and has a full comp 3/8, very fast cutting. Large falling spike. And we will disable it, and this is how you will receive it. Plug cap removed, non-running, sold for parts, and will be listed on eBay. So if you want to check it out, go to the eBay site and research it.